Okay folks, time for another weekly Lightburn tutorial video. And the video today I'm going to show you a technique that I basically stumbled across. I was making a custom clock for our high school reunion, and I had a picture of the high school with a small mountain in the background, and I wanted to put our high school logo, which is a wolf, so that it was sitting in the mountains, but the mountain behind it wouldn't show up. So I'm going to show you what I did first, and then I'm going to show you how I fixed it. So let's switch into Lightburn. So there's Lightburn. Now, I don't use the same wolf logo, but there's a wolf head. I got this off of a Google search, and I used the Creative Commons, and I picture the Rocky Mountains. So what I did is I left my wolf there, and I created an image mask. So circle, okay, apply mask to image. I brought my image in, where my wolf was going to be, and when I went to preview, can't really see the wolf. It's right here, but you can't really see it. So that's the first problem. When I knew it would work, I could see it here, but it didn't come out the way I wanted to. So let me so the fix is I need to have the wolf head outlined using the offset tool. And be careful when you do this. Once you do the offset on an object and you want to group it, you should never move the original one. I just hide it. So I'm going to take my wolf head and I'm going to do an offset, and I could probably go to 2. I'm going to turn my offset onto my blue layer, and I'm going to hide that wolf head. Don't move anything. Select everything and group. So now when I bring the picture in and apply the mask to the image, it creates a hole. We're going to see the hole, and then I'm going to put the wolf head back in. So I just like bringing my image in just so I can see it in the part I want to mask it. Right click on my object that I want to mask it to, apply the mask, and I can bring my picture in, and you can see there's a hole where the wolf head is supposed to be. Now if I just do this part, turn my image on, go into preview, you see the hole and the wolf head. I didn't have it showing here, but there's the show, my wolf head, and you zoom in, you can see that there's the grid, the Lightburn grid behind all the blank spaces. And when we go to preview, we see the wolf head. Now I don't have these layers set up properly. This should be so 6,000 should be about 25. I don't need air assist. That's my standard. It should work. There we go. And my image layer, I want to do pass through on my image, and that changes my output from 10 hours to 40 minutes. So there you go, folks. There's another way to applying a mask to an image and getting another image or another vector graphic to superimpose in front of your background image. and not have the background image bleed through your picture or your graphic that you want to show and highlight in your image. Now what I didn't show you on here is to do the numbers on my clock face, but there's a previous video on how I create a clock face, and you can watch that video. And if you want to put your numbers on your clock, it's pretty simple from there. So I hope you found this informative, and I wish you the best of luck in using image masking, grouping, and your offset tool. Thank you, and we'll see you hopefully next week. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.